Hello dear friends, welcome to Certify Me YouTube channel. In this video, I will show step-by-step process to book an AWS Cloud Practitioner exam at home. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Without wasting the time, let's get started. First of all, open any browser and type AWS certification and hit the enter button, or else type AWS trainings/certification. Click on this website. Here click on sign in. So here, according to your credential, if it is Gmail, we have to select AWS Builder ID, create or sign in. If it is partner account, I mean company mail, we have to select AWS Partner Network. So mine is Gmail, so I am clicking on AWS Builder ID. So after clicking, it will show like this. Go to your account. Welcome back. You are already have an AWS certification account. Just click on go to your account. It will take few seconds. It is loading. Here, left side we can see home, profile, exam registration, exam history, certifications, benefits, digital badges. So here click on exam registration. Click on schedule an exam. Today I have already completed AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate. You guys can see 25/12/2024. So now I want to schedule AWS Cloud Practitioner. So click here, search, type CLF and hit enter button. So here we can see AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner, that is CLF-C02. Click on schedule. Processing, please wait. Okay. So here be careful while scheduling an exam, because if you select this in person at a test center, you have to go to one test center, then you have to give your exam. If you select online with OnView, that means you can give exam anywhere, like your home, office, any location. If you select in person at a test center, you have to go to test center and you have to give the exam. If you select online with OnView, you can write at your home. So I'm selecting online with OnView. So before schedule exam, please read all those. Prepare to take your exam with OnView. So computer, testing space, photo ID and check-in time, everything. So click next. So this is very important. What is your preferred language for the exam? By default English. You can select any one of these languages. So click next. So read all these terms and conditions, then only agree. Here we can see acceptable identification, that means ID proof, passport, driving license, identification card, national or local, registration card such as green card, permanent resident, visa. So if you are an Indian, passport, PAN card, Aadhaar and voter card also acceptable. Here click agree. So this is also important one. What is the language you prefer the proctor to speak? Proctor means nothing but a online invigilator. Before starting an exam, proctor will ask you few questions and he or she will be asking you to show the complete room, entire room, desk space and They will verify your ID proof, then only they will release the exam. So by default English, click next. This is also most important thing. Select the time zone. If you are in India, Asia Calcutta, that is IST. Yes, that's right. I want to schedule my exam 2025. So January 10th 2025. So I'm clicking on 10. So if we click on explore more times, it will display the available slots. So I'm clicking on explore more times. So we can choose the slot between 12 am to 5 am, 5:15 am to 9 am, 9:15 am to 10 pm, between 1:15 pm to 5 pm, and 5:15 pm to 8 pm, 8:15 pm to 11:45 pm. So I want afternoon slot, so I will look for 1:15 pm to 5 pm. So the available slots are total 9. So I want to schedule on at 3:15 pm. So I'm clicking on 3:15 pm. Here we can see your check-in time will be 2:45. That means exam starting time is 3:15, but 30 minutes before we have to do check-in. So click on book this appointment. So it is loading. Here we can see AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner, exam duration 100 minutes, Friday, January 10th, 2025, check-in time 2:45 pm, start time 3:15 pm, Asia, Calcutta. So 100 USD with including tax, total 118 USD. So click here, proceed to checkout. Here we can see total 118 USD. If you are having 50% or 100% voucher, you can enter your voucher code or coupon here, then you can apply. If you do not have any voucher, so you must make a payment through your card by selecting any one of these cards. After clicking next, exam will be scheduled. You will get a confirmation mail from AWS. So this is how you can schedule your exam. After scheduling successfully, if you want to see your exam, you can click on dashboard. In this dashboard, it will show our scheduled exam. Here we can see Cloud Practitioner. Just now I have scheduled. I just showed how to schedule. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys have any doubts regarding this process, how to schedule, please let me know in the comment section.